In ancient Egypt, they worshipped cats as gods. What a waste. Like, there were so many better gods they could have gone with. Like Greece, they had Zeus who could throw lightning. India, they had like this 8-armed destroyer elephant woman. Japan had Charizard. The Vikings had Chris Hemsworth. But in Egypt, who could literally invent their own things to worship, went with cats. Like, it's no wonder the Jews won in the book of Exodus, right? Like, Moses shows up, my God will bring famine and death. And Pharaoh's like, my God sometimes sleeps for 18 hours a day. My God will rain fire from the heavens. My God poops in a sandbox. To Cat God's credit, though, like, he kept it very close. The Egyptians did very well for, facing an enslaved people. They almost won. But at the last second, the Jews took that hard right into the Red Sea, and Cat God was like, whoa, water! You guys are on your own.